Hello aspirants. In this video, we will be taking you through the process of filling the MDI admissions application form for the 2-year full-time programs for the batch of 2026 to 2028. The deadline for the same is 5 p.m. on Friday, the 28th of November 2025. The form is available on the official MDI website and is also available in the description given below. Before starting the form filling process, we highly recommend you go through the instructions available on the same link for better clarity about the process. Once you've gone through the instructions, you can proceed and register yourself to access the application form. Do note that the email address provided here will be used for all further communication by the institute. After registering, you will receive a link on your provided email ID through which you can access the application form. After logging into the portal, click on the Apply Now option available against the MDI application form for 2-year full-time PGP 2026. Please note that you can save and exit the application window anytime. You may resume the same through the option available on your portal's dashboard. However, post-submission, no changes will be possible. Therefore, we recommend that you exercise extreme caution while filling the application form. In the first step, choose your preferences for the campuses and the programs that you would like to apply for. Fill out the remaining applicant detail fields as prompted and ensure that all mandatory fields are answered before moving further. Moving on, fill out the necessary parent and address details as required. In the next step, under the Education Qualification section, kindly fill out your 10th, 12th and undergraduation details, followed by your post-graduation and professional degree details if applicable. Kindly note that all subjects must be considered for percentage calculation, irrespective of the board you belong to. Students in their final year of undergraduation must mention their pre-final year CGPA in undergraduation details. Also ensure that you round off all percentages to 2 decimal places. In the following section, fill out your work experience details as applicable. Kindly note that the first and last salary slips, work experience certificates and Form 16 for all applicable years, in cases of employment for over a year, must be submitted as a single PDF document in reverse chronological order, starting from your latest organization of employment. In case of unavailability of Form 16, you may provide your bank statement showing salary credited for the last 3 months, along with the joining letter of your current company. However, the provision of either of these documents is mandatory. Kindly use the remarks field to specify the reasons for not being able to provide any of the aforementioned documentation. You can now proceed to upload your relevant documents in this next section. Ensure that you follow the guidelines with respect to the format and size of the files to be uploaded, specified for each field. Once you're finished uploading your documents, you can proceed to the final section where you can preview your application form before submission. Once done, kindly complete the declaration and make the payment to submit your application. In case of any further questions or concerns, you can reach out to us using the Query Site tab available in the application form. Thank you for watching, and we wish you success on your journey ahead.